talking about people, my brothers, when they went to school, and eventually I went to school, that the school bus stop was at the end of Stevens Road, which was half a mile away. And the bus would come down Proctor Road 3, and we would stand at the window, and when we saw that bus go by, okay, we knew that it had to go by our bus stop. It wasn't going to stop. It was going to go all the way down to the John Deere factory, turn around, and come back. And so we would bolt and get down to the end of the street before that bus came back around and picked us up. Now, our high school was 40 minutes away, but it was the Pittsford bus. So, I mean, we were on that bus for at least an hour, if not more, because it would go this way and that way throughout the town, and then eventually go out to Brandon, where the high school was. And so that was, an hour plus one way to high school. I'm talking about my two big brothers, Allan and Ted. They were always doing things to each other. And we were up in the barn back behind the house, and my brothers decided to, it'd be fun to watch Coke bottles break up. They got on the hayloft where the big door was at, and they were throwing Coke bottles down on the ground. It was like, boys are boys. But the big thing was, then Ted pushed Allan out the big door and landed on that glass. At which point there was another run to the ER. That was our life. I mean, Allan was driving the tractor. We had our trash was dumped into the back of the property, so we had a tractor and it had a trailer. And Steve was on the fenders of the back big wheels. That's where we stood, all right? And Steve fell off once and fell. And I tried to get Allan's attention, but all you heard was thump, thump. There was Steve rolling on the ground, broke his collarbone, and off he went to the emergency room. The same thing's true. We had a hill that we were, taking a wagon down. It was fun because you'd get on there and it would go down and level out, and that would be our fun. Well, one time Allan was running beside the wagon with Steve, and he was holding the steering stick, with a little handle there, and he didn't let go, and the thing went faster than Allan, and it flipped. It turned backwards, and that wagon just flipped up and down, and just threw Steve, on his collarbone. Steve broke his collarbone 3 times when I was on the farm, and Mama was always going to the emergency room.